Respected teacher and my dear classmates, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Janatun Naim Nisa. Now I'm performing here as a teacher.
I am a Samia Akhtar. I am a student. Assalamualaikum. May I come in, ma'am?
Walaikum assalam. Yes, come in.
Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm not well. I'm in some problem.
Why? What happened? You can tell me.
I'm a little bit scared for my upcoming final examination. Please, can you tell me how can I prepare myself for the upcoming examination?
Firstly, you have to find out in which subject you are in. Then, with the help of subject teacher, you must make your own notes and revise them frequently. You can also practice the math so many times.
Okay, what else I can do?
You can make a routine and maintain it properly to complete your all subjects. You have to attend it in your class and listen what your teacher says.
Now I can understand how can I prepare myself. Thanks for your suggestion. I shall try my best to do a brilliant result in final semester examination.
That's